Hello! I'm making stir-fried broccoli. To a cutting board, add some ginger and a handful of garlic. Cut both ends of each garlic piece and then cut 4 to 5 pieces of ginger. The more garlic and ginger, the stronger and better, in my opinion, the taste is. Then thoroughly chop the garlic and ginger into tiny pieces. I'm using 2 medium heads of broccoli. Rinse to remove the dirt and bacteria. Cut the broccoli until they are the same sizes. This helps it cook evenly. You can also cut the broccoli in half if it's still too big. In a pan on medium heat, sprinkle a layer of oil. Add the garlic and ginger. Mix and add the broccoli. Sprinkle a light layer of salt on the top. Mix well and then cover and cook for 6 minutes. Make sure you stir a couple of times in between. Now we're done and it tastes great!